Today was not particularly a day of music making, but more of a day of learning. I have always wanted, with synthesizers and with computer music, to be able to play around with just tuning. If you don't know about tuning, there's the system of deciding which frequencies to make the notes on the piano or just in general is not a set in stone thing. Someone decided to make each of those notes a certain amount of frequencies apart from each other. And in general, in the West, the system we use is called equal temperament, where the notes are evenly spread apart. And I'm not gonna go fully into detail about this, and this is kind of really nerdy, but the main thing is that I've always felt like major chords in equal temperament tuning kind of sound bad. This is better, but it's still a little bit not in tune. That third feels sharp to me. It always has, and because it is. There's a different type of tuning called just tuning. Hear how in tune that is? In equal temperament tuning, your major chord moves a little bit because it's not fully locked in with itself. There's a little bit of wrongness to the ratios, versus in just tuning, it just, and you can hear it even. You can hear that the note isn't moving the same way it's moving. There's a little bit of wow, right? And so when I discovered that this was a thing, I started messing around with it and enjoying it, especially with the distortion turned on, especially at lower octaves. But here's the weird thing I discovered, right? This is good, but there's something really nice about the richness of this. The motion actually gives the distortion a wonderful little color to it. But the problem with just tuning is it does create some intervals that are wrong. That's a fifth. You can see it on the keyboard down here. That's supposed to be like a flat third fifth there, which sounds like this normally. So if I were to play versus the notes that are in C major are incredibly locked in. Because the way that just tuning works is that it picks a fundamental and then it tunes everything kind of around the relationships to that note. It's able to achieve a level of locked-inness that you can't achieve if you have to have a style of tuning that can be played in all keys, which is why equal temperament existed. They invented a keyboard. They didn't want to have to retune the piano every time they wanted to play a song in a different key. So they're like, let's just kind of cut the difference and everything be a little bit wrong, but you can't really tell. Most people can't tell. It'll be fine. And they invented these other things. So I was just really excited because this was the first time I ever found a synthesizer that had the option to not have equal temperament tuning to be able to adjust things. I still don't know. I tried Googling and I tried even asking on the Discord. Yeah, I asked on the Discord and no one's responded yet. I don't know how it picks what the fundamental is here. I think it's in C because that's what sounds right. But there's gotta be a way to move it, to have it be somewhere else, and I don't know what is to do that. Also, I'm not really certain what the difference is between just 5 limit and just 7 limit. I didn't find anything great about that, so I actually think I'm probably gonna buy this book and read about it. How equal temperament tuning ruined harmony and why you should care. I kind of understand the premise behind how it ruined harmony, but I really just want to understand the different relationships and to have a better understanding of this because this is the stuff that really does matter to me. I love understanding this at more fundamental levels. But yeah, so that's what I spent today messing around with. Really fun to discover that this existed. And yeah, I planned to write some music today, but then ended up just learning about Vital. Also trying to learn how to install skins. Apparently I need to update Vital so I can make this have pretty colors. Maybe next time you see it, it'll have pretty colors. Okay, I gotta go. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.